Hi guys, this is Vanshika and welcome back to Maccaron's 1 minute review. Today I have the Rovectin cream concentrate. So basically this is a cream concentrate moisturizer that contains astaxanthin, which is an antioxidant found in microalgae, and researchers believe that this is 6,000 more stronger than that of vitamin C and 550 times more stronger than vitamin E. So guess what? This helps to restore your damaged and irritated skin, and you will see 100% results with regular usage of this. The texture is very smooth and creamy. Unlike the aqua one, it is more like gel based, but this one is more creamy. It's non-sticky and gets absorbed into your skin super quickly. It restores and repairs the skin's natural moisture barrier and lifts dead skin cells away on regular basis, and this has such amazing ingredients. The brand is Hypoallergenic, which is a plus point. It is toxin free, cruelty free and 100% free from any kind of paraben. So you can check out the whole Rovectin range available only on Maccaron.in.